chef, today with Cooking with Danny in live in 3, 2.
1. Action! Dito po tayo.
Hi, welcome to my program, 40 seconds of cooking. You have to wash the malakit rice 3 times, and then with water, and then you make sala. After make it kulot, no, you have to wait. No, you have to read first book. Or you have to pray. And after praying and reading the book, then look. Oh, nakulo. Meaning, continue reading, continue praying. Now, we have here is the flavoring Rico. And then we have here, wait, I cannot get it. We have here, where? This one. We call it what? No? Absolution.
That is for an answer.
Yeah, but we can still use in cooking of champurrado.
Champurrado.
Yes. Why we are continuously stirring the pan, the casserole, because to avoid cooking. We're going to serve this seemingly cooked.
Okay, sir, let's interview some of the audience here.
Yes.
My driver. Pwede mo bang tikman yung luto kahit hindi pa luto? Ano masasabi mo sa today Cooking with Danny? Ate mo natin yung bonjing dito. Ano yung hawak mo bonjing?
Alalay.
Para saan yan?
Inaabangan ako. Baka may malaglag na ano.
May isa pa ditong audience. Ay, dito ka kasi madilim dyan. Hindi ka talaga nakikita.
Pag-yabang nyo, ano sasabihin ko?
Tapos meron pa po tayo isa pang audience?
Ako po talaga yung mahawak ng camera.
Ako po yung director. Ayan, nilalagay na po ang vanilla. Para sa
No, vanilla.
Absolutely.
Ano po? Kalati lang.
After po nung kasi po kapag naluto na po yung rikawa, kapag basta naluto na po
Oh, no problem. They will not notice that.
ang dami.
As long it is cooked. This is the secret. Wrong procedure is the secret.
Okay, so we'll pause for a break.
Okay. See you after this. Messages from our sponsor.
Okay.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.